Hello viewers, again I come to show you another tips and tricks about Android technology. Let's go to the Play Store and search ZG Ringtone and Wallpaper. ZG Ringtone and Wallpaper, it's already installed in my phone. You can install and you should install if you want to use these apps. Then open. You see there have a wallpaper, live wallpaper, ringtone, games, and it's all totally free for you. You see there have a ringtone what you can use in your phone. Let's see. Let's see another ringtone. They have a lot of ringtone in these apps and discover. You should choose how you likes, what you likes from here. Valentine, this is Valentine ringtone, alarm ringtone, funny ringtone, and you can set easily like this. Here click this button and set alarm sound, set notifications, set contact ringtone, set ringtone. When you set ringtone, it automatically done. So see how it's work for you. Then there have a lot of wallpaper. Go to the wallpaper. You see there have a lot of wallpaper in these apps, and you can choose any wallpaper and discover. You see Valentine, snow, lot of wallpaper, and easy to save like this. Click this button, set wallpaper. Go to the home page. See, wallpaper is totally set. So if you like my video and like my channel, please like, comment and share, and obviously subscribe my channel and know about tips and tricks about Android technology. Thank you for watching this video.